Hello friends, welcome back to my channels. Today I'm going to give you information apps which is get update automatically from your internet. So today you will see how we can stop the apps which become update automatically. So let's start, my friends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press notification bells for more videos. So let's start. You have to go again, same this option, Play Store. So this is the option, Play Store. I'm going to click here. After open this one, you will see there is one screen, same this one, Google Play with three dot lines. Please click there. After click, you will see same type of screen will appear in front of you. So go down, there is option for setting. Please click here for setting. After you click setting, there you can see auto update of apps in your screen. So please click here. Here there is three options. Okay, first, don't auto update apps. If you will make here right options, you will not get any update from internet. The second ones, if you have data available in your mobile, or maybe you need the update because sometimes there is more features in apps, so you can use this one, second one. And the last one, some guys they have Wi-Fi, so they can use this one because Wi-Fi most of the guys they have free or unlimited, so it's no problem. So the third option for Wi-Fi guys who has Wi-Fi or who want to use new features of apps, they can click here. But some guys who has not enough memory in his mobile and they want to keep more apps in their mobile, so don't update your apps. So you need to make same highlight as I make here, green color. Okay, after this one you make this one, then after you highlight this one, you can go back, then it's automatically it will be select. So thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like. If you have any comment or suggestion, please write on comment box. Thank you viewers, thank you friends, bye bye.